Hello everyone, it is Saturday and I am home alone today. So I have decided to go to the market. I need veggies and it's a lot cheaper. So I am bringing you along on the camera. I'm not going to film like this for the rest of it, but we will see and hopefully you enjoy this. Currently I have no plan besides working. So yeah, I will bring you along. So first order of things is I need to put the recycling and the garbage in its proper place. I need both hands, so you're gonna hide for a bit until I get it done. I just came back from the market. The market is so not expensive. So I paid 1,100 forints. I'll grab my calculator out and we can calculate together what that is. Let's put you here for now. So, calculator. Okay, so 1,100 is not even $5. It's $4.95 Canadian dollars, and in euros, it is 360 euros. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work now. I have a lot of catch up to do that way. So yeah, I will talk to you soon.